All right, hello. So tonight for homework, you're going to be doing a couple of things. In class, you probably worked on this. You were supposed to have found the answers to all these questions, and you answer the question, and you also tell me which section number it came from and which clause number it is. So you write the section number here, section number 1, and then you write the clause number. This is all for Article 1, so you don't need to tell me that. For these questions, you're going to answer them, and you're going to tell me the article that it came from, the section number, and then finally the clause number. That's the order. It goes article, section, clause. But your homework for today is this. You're going to create 2 foldables. Take the last 2 pages of the packet, which are pages 11 and page 12, which look like that. You're going to rip them like that. We'll start off with page 11. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold along the solid lines right there. Okay, it's hard to do this. So anyhow, you're going to fold along those dotted lines, fold along the solid line too. You fold along here, just like that. Okay, see that? And you fold along here. It's hard to demonstrate. And then you're going to fold along this dotted line at the bottom. Take this bottom portion and either rip it off or totally cut it if you need to. I think I have scissors here, but you could just rip it. I can't seem to find the scissors, so what am I going to do? I'll just rip it. Fold it really tight, like that. Then rip. You can't see it, but I'm totally ripping it. Alright. Done. Left with that. Now, this actually will create a pyramid when you cut this line right here. See? That line. You're going to cut that line all the way up to the point. So I'll show you what that looks like by ripping it. It's not going to look great. Doesn't look too bad. And then I end up with that. I just take this and that, and I create a pyramid. That's the first thing. I'll tell you how to create this, then I'll show you how to create the other one. So you don't need that one right now, throw it away. The next thing you need is page 13 of your packet. It looks like this, but orient it that way. Fold it along the line here, and you end up with that. See that? And you'll see you've got this little piece right there. You're going to fold that up. And you end up with that. And you fold it up. See? Okay. Then all you need to do is you're going to cut along here and then along there, only to up to there. Okay? I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to rip it because I can't seem to find scissors, which probably you don't even have scissors on you anyhow. You rip it like that. Just to there. Then you do the other one. Just to there. And you end up with this. See these little things. It's called a matchbook fold, but actually we'll just call it a flippy thing. I don't know. I don't have another name for it. Flippy thing. Okay. Now, you have to give that stuff information. So you're going to go to page 5 in your packet, which looks like this. And you'll notice here that it says how the legislative branch checks the executive branch. You're going to put this stuff on your pyramid. Get the pyramid. The pyramid's on the floor. It fell there. 1 second. Here it is. Here's that pyramid. Okay. Now looking at this pyramid, first one said, how the legislative branch checks the executive branch. So legislative branch checks the executive branch. That's this over here. So legislative, you're going to put all that stuff that's in there, the bullet points on the bottom part. Then the stuff where the legislative branch checks the judicial branch, you'll put on top. And what you end up with is a pyramid. Stuff that checks the legislative branch checking the executive branch will be there. And the stuff that checks the judicial branch will be there. So you put it right there for legislative to executive and legislative to judicial, right there. You can put it there, but it's referencing, it's checked there. And do that for every single side, and it's all clearly labeled here with the bold points, and with bullet points below. So fill that whole thing out. Then take your flippy thing, which looks like this now, and you're going to go to page 6 of your packet, page 6. It looks like this. Okay. We've got a whole bunch of different categories here. To national government, to state government, to both levels, okay? And these are powers that are granted. All those things go here. So all the stuff that goes to the national government, to the state government, goes here, all there. And then all the stuff that goes to only the national government goes here. And all the stuff that goes to the shared government goes there. Okay. Then on the bottom of page 6, you have powers that are denied. These are things that each level is not allowed to do. And you're going to put the corresponding ones on the back. This is the front. You're going to put it on the back of this, right here. Denied to both, denied to state, denied to the national government. And they're all bulleted points. Okay, so your homework again is to do the Constitution scavenger hunt, if you haven't completed it. Create the pyramid, whiz bang. Create the flippy thing, which looks like that. Then label this, so that way it all kind of matches up with the arrows. Label this, so it tells you everything you need. Thanks!